What is important to analyze different management styles? Analyzing different management styles is crucial because it has allowed organizations to understand the most effective ways to lead and manage their teams. Each management style, where it is auto-tactic to marketive, laissez-faire, transformation, and transactional. His distinct characteristics for head can either contribute to hidden productive, employee satisfaction, and other organization success. By understanding these styles, managers can adapt their approach to fit the specific needs or their themes, projects, and organization goals, leading to better outcomes. Incorporate research and case study highlights. Sinova case study highlight how Sinova meets benefit from management styles at better levels of the organization. For instance, a transformation approach could be effective for innovation, while a more transactional style might be better suited for routine operation. Research implies how modern management theories such as flexibility in leadership style can be right employed in engagements and adaptive in the domestic market. What is the strengths and weakness of each management style? Each management style offers unique strengths and weakness. Authoritative strengths with quick decision making, clear directives, and efficient discussion. Weakness can start creativity, reduce employees' morale, and creative dependence of the latter. Democratic strengths. A curious participation for creativity and leaders of the hiring process satisfaction. Weakness. Decision making can be slow and there is a risk of groupthink or deal of responsibility. Laissez-faire strengths. Important employees for innovation and can lead the hiring whole satisfaction. Weakness. That direction can be result in low productivity and accounting issues. Transformational strengths inspire and motivate employees, drive change and for the strong organization culture. Weakness can be demanding of leaders requires high levels of energy and might overlook day-to-day operations. Transactional strangers. Clear structure, define expectations, and effective for achieve specific objects. Weakness can be right-minded organization and may focus too much of short-term goals. Sinova case study application. Considered of Sinova leadership can be later of methods or this styles depending on the situation. So be also on transformation approach to drive new project development and more transactional approach to manage existing process. Do you think it is possible to adopt different management styles depending on the type of project you are working on? Yes, it is not only possible but often necessary to adopt different management styles depending on the project. Price better is complexity, scope, and nature of the work involved, which means that one-size-fits-all approach to management is very effective. Adaptive management. This cause is important of being adaptive leader how we switch between styles. For example, a creative programming benefit for license, fire, or democratic approach to encourage innovation, while a high stakes project with think deadlines may require a more autocratic or transactional start to ensure efficiency and control. Situational leadership theory. Mention of theory that's subject leaders so adapt to their state based of the maturity to their terms member and the specific of the stacks are at hand. Sinova cases to study application. This goes as Sinova management could be to their leadership is tied to different department or project. Ensure that each them is managed is with that maximizes through their strengths and link with the project goals.
Now we are going to discuss each candidate's management style. In the directing style is a type of management where all the people know how to do it because they explain everything in single details, like assigning roles and responsibilities and so on. You could even say it's almost like giving each people like an idea of how to do it and do it correctly. It's almost as if the manager just says it and you have to do it, and that's basically it. The discussing style, as you may already know, it's when all the people involved like discuss the terms, the politics inside each problem. They listen to the feedback from one another, but they also coach if needed. You know, if they have a question, a certain problem, they can all agree or disagree, but in the end, they're still going to discuss and communicate each idea. Plus, the manager is pretty involved since he is like the intermediator between all of the people in the room. And finally, we have the delegating style. This one is just like the first one, but in this case, the manager says what needs to be done, and basically they left in the air all the questions and problems that the other employees may have while doing the task. They just basically told them to get the job done, even if they don't really know how to do it. Select one of the candidates for the project manager. We came to an agreement that the best one is the discussing style, because we think it's like the most open one so that everyone can agree or disagree, everyone has a point, but it also doesn't like completely neglect or try to hide the problems that the other employees may have. Instead, they just discuss, they talk, and they help each other, which is the most important thing in an industry, because you need teamwork in order to get things done. You can't be the only one working. And if one person has a problem, then that problem in a way can be solved between everyone. And that person is now not lost, and it may help others to express themselves and came to a similar conclusion on how to do a certain problem and resolve it.